PortHuronMichigan. Hey guys, here's train number 12 to the eastbound coming. Me and my mom saw it coming. Gates might be going down, Mom.
They're not going down yet.
We're putting on the side for it.
Because I don't want to pass over again.
Were all the lights on or just two? Are you sure there's a train coming?
Yes, Gabe.
It's for east?
Yes.
West or towards PortHuron?
East, Gabe.
East? Okay. That westbound might move after. I hope we're positive, Mom. Awesome, guys. There's an east coming.
Come on, dude. Come on.
Come on, Gates. It might stop, Mom, because was there a yellow signal up there? Do we have time to truck? Do we have time to go?
No, we don't have time.
Unless it's coming, but I don't know.
We don't have time.
What?
We don't have time.
What do you mean?
Exactly what I said.
Well, we don't have time to stay and watch trains? Is that what you're saying?
No.
Was it far? Because the gates are still up.
No, it wasn't that far.
Oh man, that was a bad lightning strike. Come on, Gates, go down.
Come on.
I hope he's coming.
He is.
Unless you're positive. What the heck? Oh, here we go. Here we go. Finally, man, finally. Can you get the number, please, when it comes?
I'll try.
Here's train number 12 for this week.
Okay, you stay in the car.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna roll the window down so I can wave.
He won't see you.
Yeah, it's an east, Mom. It is an east. You're right. Here it comes, guys. Train number 12. Is he moving?
Yeah.
Might be CSS. I'm not sure. Oh no, it's a CN. Can you get the number, please?
I'll
Comes.
try. Okay, you can't.
He's waving real quick. It comes. Oh man, I can't. Number? What was it?
8904.
8904? What was the second agent?
I don't know.
89 stuff. What was it?
8904.
Was that the first? And what was the last one?
I don't know.
Oh, that's a bummer. That's okay. So the first one's 8904. Cool. Wait. Eastbound. Then first class? You know why the westbound? Westbound's probably, he's probably looking for this one to go through. This one came at least 9:30. At 9:30. And cool, he really built a lumber car. Yeah, so far 2 trains tonight. Well, here's train number 12 for this week because there's other ones from our webcams, you know? It might slow down now. I think he's gonna park though. If he stops, then I'll make a part 2, right, Mom? Hope he doesn't stop. Was the signal all reds up there? Was it yellow red?
I don't know. I didn't.
If it's all reds, it can't go through when it's all reds, you know? Oh, this is a good video. That's where I get to the second engine. It was 8940. Yeah, Mom, you're right. You did see it coming. I saw it coming through. It's pretty cool. I buy it. Mom, it's hard to see through the glass when it's raining, you know? Let me roll my window up. Alright, I'm gonna take my earbuds off for now. Pretty long one, isn't it? See if we find any 11s on this train. No. There's one. There's one. Oh guys, it's a long one. Gas and coal cars. Okay, I'm gonna unbuckle for a sec so I can keep trying. There's no cop behind us, is there? What?
No.
Sir? I just don't want to get in trouble, Mom. You know, no one likes to get pulled over, you know that? Lightning out. There's another westbound point. I just don't know if it's going to go south or west. I think west, but I'm not 100% sure. Is he on the very first track? Can you sit back for a second, Mom? I want to film how close that is. Can you sit back for a minute, please?
I am.
No, all I wanted to do is can you sit back for a second? Okay. Cool. Alright, hold on. I'm going to keep it like this. For now. Hold on. Alright, go. Hold on. You stay back in case. That's a long train. You know? Long, isn't it? Oh, he's stopping. Train don't stop, come on. There's lightning, I can't believe it's lightning out. So this is a train on the front track. There's a lumber car right there. Hopefully, if we see that westbound move, we know how many trains that would be. You know that? 3. That would have been cool, right? Maybe we'll... Is that another horn? Or is that the train hitting its brakes? I thought it was another horn. Is this train gonna end soon? Oh, and guys, Wednesday starts summer vacation. On Wednesday, so... Some people call it Wednesday, but I call it Wednesday. Car haul is coming. Let's see if there's a new car haul. You know, Mom, usually the Queen cars are new, you know that? There's new. There's a box car. Oh, that's a long train. You know? I'm just gonna keep it like this for now. There's more car hauls coming, I think. Yep. The summer starts on Wednesday for this year, but that's a big box car. Is that the end? Oh, not yet. Yep, that's the end right there, guys. That's all for now. Bye. Alright, let me get the gates. Cool, train 12. Alright, bye guys, that's all for now. Huron, Michigan. What color is this signal wagons? Actually, we should check the other crossing real fast. Alright guys, bye, that's all for now. Huron, Michigan.